Ordering at the bakery.
Good morning. What would you like?
2 croissants, please.
Butter or chocolate?
1 of each.
Anything else?
Yes, a baguette.
White or whole wheat?
White.
Fresh from the oven?
Smells amazing.
That's $7.
Here's 10.
$3 back?
Thank you.
Would you like a bag?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thanks. Have a good day.
You too.
Booking a hair appointment.
Salon Maria, can I help you?
Yes, I need a haircut.
When would you like to come?
Tomorrow morning?
We have 9 a.m. or 11 a.m.
11 is better.
Your name?
Anna Lopez.
Phone number?
5557890.
Just a cut or wash too?
Both, please.
That's $40.
Perfect.
See you tomorrow at 11.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
At the gas station.
Good morning.
Hi, fill it up, please.
Regular or premium?
Regular.
Cash or card?
Card.
Insert it at the pump.
This pump here?
Yes, number 3.
Thanks.
After pumping.
All done.
That's $32.
Can I get a receipt?
It'll print at the pump.
Oh, okay.
Have a safe trip.
Thanks. Bye.
Returning library books.
Hello.
Hi, I'm returning these books.
Let me scan them. 1, 2, 3, and...
Am I late?
No, you're on time.
Good, I was worried.
You're fine. No fee.
Can I borrow more books?
Of course. How many?
Just 2 today.
Do you have your card?
Yes, here.
These are due in 3 weeks.
Okay, thank you.
You can renew them online.
That's convenient.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Meeting a neighbor.
Hi, are you new here?
Yes, I just moved in.
Welcome. I'm David.
Nice to meet you. I'm Lisa.
Which apartment?
3C.
Oh, right above me.
Really?
Yes, I'm in 2C.
Small world.
Do you like it here?
So far, yes.
The neighborhood is quiet.
That's what I wanted.
If you need anything, just knock.
That's very kind.
Welcome again.
Thank you.
At the gym.
Welcome. First time here?
Yes.
Would you like a tour?
Sure.
Follow me. This is the cardio area.
Nice machines.
And here are the weights.
Very clean.
We clean every hour.
Impressive.
Do you want a membership?
How much per month?
$45.
Any contract?
No, cancel any time.
I'll think about it.
Take your time.
Thanks for the tour.
Anytime.
Booking a movie ticket.
Hi, which movie?
The new action film.
What time?
7 p.m.
How many tickets?
2 adults.
That's $24.
Do students get a discount?
Yes, $2 off.
Great, we're both students.
Can I see your IDS?
Here you go.
Perfect. Now it's $20.
Thank you.
Theatre 5 on your left.
What time should we arrive?
10 minutes early.
Okay, thanks.
Enjoy the movie.
Calling about internet service.
Tech support. How can I help?
My internet isn't working.
Since when?
Since this morning.
Did you restart the router?
Yes, twice.
What lights do you see?
Only red lights.
That means no connection.
Can you fix it?
Let me check your account.
Okay.
There's an outage in your area.
How long will it last?
About 2 hours.
Will you call me?
It'll come back automatically.
All right, thank you.
Sorry for the trouble.
At the clothing store.
Can I help you find something?
I need a jacket.
What style?
Something casual.
What's your size?
Medium.
We have these 3.
I like the blue one.
Want to try it on?
Yes, please.
The fitting room is there.
After trying,
It fits perfectly.
Looks great on you.
How much?
$60, but it's on sale.
What's the sale price?
$45.
I'll take it.
Great choice.
asking about parking.
Excuse me, where can I park?
There's a lot 2 blocks down.
Is it free?
No, it's $5 an hour.
Is there free parking nearby?
Street parking after 6 p.m.
What time is it now?
5:30.
I'll wait then.
Good idea.
Can I park here?
No, this is a bus zone.
Where should I wait?
Drive around for 30 minutes.
Okay, thanks.
No problem.